Hello, amazing people. Welcome to my YouTube channel for this week. This week, I will be analyzing 5 different pairs for you guys, which are GoldSpot USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, Great Britain Pounds USD, and USD CHF. These are 5 solid pairs that I will be analyzing for you guys for this week. Last week was a different week in the forex market, and we took a different approach to trading last week. Last week we basically didn't trade a lot because last week was US election and there is a lot of uncertainty around the forex market. So we didn't actually take a lot of trade. We only had one trade. And as you can see on the screen, we closed all our positions at break even. The price actually gave us a decent profit, but was unable to get to our first TP, and price basically reversed back against us. And we, price stopped us out at our break even. So last week, we didn't actually make money and we don't lose any money in the forex market. So we should be able to, make decent amounts of money for ourselves for this week, which we are, looking ahead to do for this week. So as I explained earlier, I will dive right into this week analysis, which I will start with the first pair, which is Gold Sports USD. For Gold Sports USD, I'm on the daily time frame. And as you can see on the daily time frame, I need to make few points on this particular pair. You see, what we are currently looking at the higher time frame is we are looking at a reversal pattern, which is a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, price currently got to this pattern, pull back to come and retest the neckline. Okay, so that's currently what is happening on this particular pair. So, and don't forget that any pattern that forms on the higher time frame has the high chances of playing out. Okay, so let me scale down to the 4-hour time frame just to show you possible trade entry. So as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, price, is created an head and shoulder pattern which has played out nicely. And currently price came back to, respect the neckline. And price is currently heading downward now. So let me show you a trading opportunity on this particular pair. And as we can see, price is currently, creating an head and shoulder pattern. This is the, what is it called? This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head. So all we need to wait for is we need a bearish candlestick to close below this level right about here. Okay. For this particular head and shoulder pattern, mm, this is basically the neckline. Okay, this is basically the neckline for this head and shoulder pattern. See this week, I'm using this week. You see, this is basically the head and the neckline for this head and shoulder pattern, and price is currently at this level. All we need to do is we need to patiently wait for price to break out from this zone. Okay, we need to wait for price to patiently break out from this zone, because what is currently happening to this 3 candlesticks is price is currently creating or preparing for a bearish move. Let me scale down to the 30-minute time frame. You see what I'm, so just all it does need to do is let's wait for price to give us a sell signal right about here so we can open our sell position. So right about here we can take positions, use this level as our first take profit. Okay, our stop loss can be somewhere right about here. Okay, let's just patiently wait. Okay, let's patiently wait. So once price show us a bearish candlestick, something like this, we need it to print it out here. So once price prints it out here, so we can take a short position down here, can take a short position down to this level. Your first take profit, second take profit right about here. Okay, second take profit. So if you first take profit, second take profit, you might decide to hold on to price, just move your stop loss to break even and let price make money for you. So that is that for GoSpot USD. So I'll move on to the next pair, which is AUD USD. So for AUD USD, we are currently on the daily time frame. And as we can see on the daily time frame, price is currently at this level. Don't forget, on the daily time frame, the overall trend, we are on a bearish trend, right? And what price did was, price tends to come back to respect this level right about here. You see, this level is a well expected level. Price has respect this level several times. Okay, price came back to respect this level, and price tends to pull back here. Let me scale down to the 4-hour time frame so you can basically see what I'm explaining to you guys. On the 4 hour time frame, I would like to make a basic explanation on here. Okay. One thing might tend to happen, okay, which we need to wait for proper confirmation. Price might tend to bounce off here. Okay. Price might tend to bounce off here. Take out this high right about here. Then we need to wait for price to pull back. Okay. For us to be rest assured that price is currently in a bullish trend, then we can look for a buy position at this level and go long. Okay, but at this level, price might tend to do something like this as well. Okay, price might tend to do something like this. A moment, please. Price might tend to pull back to this level right about here. Okay, and price might tend to continue its bearish move. Okay, this is why I'm explaining this is. Let me scale down to the 1 hour time. This is why I'm explaining this is. I'm basically explaining this just for you to exercise patience for the market. Price might get to this level and continue downward. Okay, so at this particular level right about here, we need to be careful. We need to be careful. A moment, please, guys. We need to be careful. Okay, let's wait for price to fulfill all the technical level it wants to fulfill. So once price show us a decent entry, we definitely share the decent entry with you guys on our Telegram channel. And if you link the link to our Telegram channel, you will find it in the description box. Okay, so let's patiently wait for price to do whatever it wants to do at this level. Okay, so that is that for AUD So I'll move on to the next pair, which is USD card. On USD card, I'm on the daily time frame. And you see on USD card, if you follow my weekly analysis, you basically understand what is currently happening. Price is, currently, price just completed, what is it called, its right leg. Last week, price completed the, what is it called, the right leg. Either last 2 weeks or last week, price completed this last leg. That was on the 1st of November. Price completed this, what is it called, right leg. And one thing I need to explain to you here before I proceed is, on either a bearish trend or on a what is it called, a bearish trend or a bullish trend, it goes to a certain level, price tend to rest. If you run for a certain period of time, you will tend to rest at some point. So basically, when price was moving up, it rested at this level. Price continued the run, rested at this level as well. And when price completed the right leg, price currently is price is currently resting at this level. So let me scale down to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, let me scale down to the 4 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame right about here. And on the 4 hour time frame, you see basically what is currently happening. I believe price is currently trying to give us a trading opportunity at this level. But as a trader, all we need to do is patiently wait for price to create a trading opportunity for us. Let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame. You see, we need to patiently wait for price to give us a decent trading opportunity. And basically what price is creating we need to wait for more confirmation if truly the entry that I'm spotting here will tend to play out, but we need more confirmation. So we need to wait for price. Once the entry criteria has been met, I will definitely share this entry on our Telegram channel. So as I said earlier, you can find the Telegram channel in the description box. Okay, so I'll move on to the next pair, which is Great Britain Pounds USD. Great Britain Pounds USD, I'm on a daily time frame. And as you can see on the daily time frame, price got to this very strong minor level that has been respected several times. Okay, this minor level that has been respected several times. Price tends to do what? Price tends to, after this bearish trend, price tends to rest at this level. Price tends to rest at this level. Okay, price tends to rest at this level. And currently, we are in this zone. You see this supply zone. You see this demand zone right about here. That's where we are currently. So within this zone right about here, within this zone right about here, within this zone right about here, okay, within this zone right about here, there is a minor level that price tends to expect. So let me scale down to the 4 hour time frame just to show us what's basically playing out. So on the 4 hour time frame, looking at the moving average and the price action right about here, it looks like price is in a range at this level because I can basically say price is currently resting at this level. Okay, so let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame. You see within this level where price at and this zone where price at, I believe price is currently creating an entry level for us, but To benefit from this entry level, we need to wait for price action to show us, to tell us the story of what it wants to do next, because no matter how, price will definitely tell you what it wants to do next. So we need to patiently wait for price to tell us what it wants to do next. So once we spot a trading opportunity in this particular pair, I will definitely share an entry with you guys on our Telegram channel. And once again, don't forget to check the description box for the link to our Telegram channel so you can benefit from entry on this particular pair. So I'll move on to the next pair, which is USD CHF. For USD CHF, I'm on the weekly time frame. Okay, I need to quickly show you the overall picture on the weekly time frame before I proceed with my explanation. On the weekly time frame, we can see price came back to form an equal line about here, and we see price is currently heading to complete the right leg right about here. So to benefit from this move, let me scale down to the daily time frame. If you followed my weekly analysis, you would have noticed that price recalled an entry somewhere around this region. Okay, but if you miss those period, there is more entry that is going down on USDCHF. But before I proceed, I need to show you this level right about here. This level right about here is a very strong level. This is a key level, a major level. Okay, so let me scale down to the 4-hour time frame. And as well, I need to quickly show you these levels right about here, which I use this horizontal line to show you this level, a very important and a very strong minor level right about here. It's a very strong level. Okay, this level is well respected. Okay, so this particular level as well is well respected as well. So for price to complete the right leg, okay, to complete the right leg somewhere around there, price needs to at least deal with this 1, 2, 3 level, and the fourth one is this trend line as well. Okay, so all we are looking forward to do is find a trading opportunity for this particular pair. And before I proceed with my explanation, price might tend to do something at this level, which I don't, I'm just saying, I just want to explain this just for you guys to be, to watch out for this. Price might tend to run liquidity to give us maybe probably, a fake out, like it wants to continue the bullish move and pull back just to come touch this moving average right about here. Okay, price might tend to do that, just come touch the moving average somewhere right about here. Okay, we need to be careful how we take any trade within this range right about here. We need to be careful of entries that we take. Okay, we need to be very careful. We need to be very careful. So let me scale down to the 1-hour time frame. Let me scale down to the 4-hour time frame. So at this level, we need to be very careful. Let's patiently wait for price, so give us a clear direction at this level. Let's wait for price to give us a clear direction at this level. Once price definitely give us a clear direction at this level, trust me, we will definitely share a trading opportunity with you guys on our Telegram channel. And once again, don't forget to check the description box for the link to the Telegram channel. You'll see it right there. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys for sticking this long to the end of this video. And don't forget, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Telegram channel, to our our YouTube channel. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By doing this, it will help our YouTube channel to grow more. So I wish you guys a profitable week ahead, and I will see you guys next week. So bye for now, guys.